So today I'm going to execute mountain climbs. Hey, this is Ajani Malik, fitness expert and health coach. So today I'm going to execute mountain climbs or mountain climbers. So mountain climbers are great for increasing your endurance and stamina, and also working your ab muscles and your core muscles as well. Now, what you want to do is your hands want to be slightly outside the shoulders. Hands are going to be a little in front of you. And for this position, you simply take one leg back, and then you bring you alternate bringing your legs and knees in. Now notice how I keep my back flat, aligned with my hips and spine, right? So you never want to do this, okay? You want to just stay nice and low. And to increase my heart rate, I would just simply bring my legs in faster. Okay. All right. So that's how you perform mountain climbs. This is Ajani Malik, fitness expert and health coach.